How to create new account on Steam. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Steam. This is the home page, as you can see. Now click here down on create new account. You will find it right here, and after you click on it, it will take you here. Now copy your email address and you need to put it here and confirm your country of residence. For example, I'm gonna choose my country and then confirm that you are not a robot and confirm here. Then click continue and wait a few seconds. You will find a message in your email. Go here and click on it and you will find verify my email address. After you click on it, your email will be verified and your account will be created successfully, as you can see. Now I already created an account with this one, so if I want to use the existing account, I need to click here, or if you want to recover it, I'm gonna click here. But if I want to make new one, I'm gonna click here, continue. Now I'm gonna choose my name, Jacob, Mark Jacob 1222. I'm gonna choose a password like this. I'm gonna copy my username and click done. Now my account is created successfully, as you can see. Now I'm gonna enter my username and my password and my account will be ready, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.